good morning everybody. And today we are having a skills talk entitled How to make learning mathematical logic and proving technique more interesting. We are here have 4 panels that will discussing on the topics that's related to student performance in the subject mathematical logic and proving techniques. Here we have panel 1, Nur Syafiqah binti Saleh.
Hi, I am senior lecturer from University of California.
And second panel, Nurul Fatihah binti Muhammad Noor.
Hello, I'm from Senior Lecturers UiTM Campus Sumanda.
And panel number 3, we are having Adwana Suha.
Hi, I'm a senior lecturer from University of Manchester.
And we have last, a handsome panel, we have Adlisha Hisham.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Adlisha. I'm a senior lecturer for Universitas Gadjah Mada, Indonesia.
Okay. Hello all panels.
Hi.
Hi.
I realize that students now are facing a huge problem in their mathematics subject.
Yes.
Basically, they are having a problem in mathematical logic and proving techniques. These subjects hurt so bored and takes long time to having the understanding. From day by day, their performance keep decreasing. That show their interest towards this subject is very low. Today, we will ask one by one the panel to give any ideas to make this subject more interesting. And I have first panel, Nur Syafiqah. Can you share about a little bit your experience and how you overcome your problems in mathematical logic subject?
Okay, I believe that everyone have a bad experience with mathematics, especially in mathematical logic and proving technique. So during my time, I hardly understand each of the terms that used in the questions. And basically, to cope with the situation in the class and to understand what are the lecturers teaching is very hard for me. So what I did, and I think this is quite beneficial to all of you, so I would like to share, which I come up with one solution, which I myself make these terms clear by using an analogy. The analogy that I'm using is very related to myself, which is sometimes it's related to my experience. For example 1. Okay, we have P and we have Q. P stand for drive fastly, and Q stand for involved in car crash. So when we make it in conclusion, when you drive fastly implies we get involved in car crash. P implies Q. So here is the second example. Negation P and negation Q. Negation P stand for drive so slowly, while negation Q stand for does not involve in car crash. When we make it into logic maths, they will turn to be negation P implies with negation Q. So by using the placard, students can understand more easily, and they can understand because it has the hard copy in their hand, so they can find directly make that object meaningful. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Thank you Syafiqah for your ideas, and you must try it. Then we have second panel that will share her idea to make your learnings more interesting.
Okay, usually in class, lecturers lecture the students, and students just look at the lecturer and and ha. So how about we change it to lecturers need to find any videos or animation to show to the student about the certain subjects, such as, okay, we can look at the example. Okay, we will learn about Venn diagram. Okay, you see the variation of things, and there will be group of animal, group of clothes, and group of foods. Okay, do you guys understand this?
Yes.
Okay, next. Okay, we call it a set. Set of animal, set of clothes, and set of foods. Okay? Okay, this set can be used to show the relationship between 2 or 3 groups. Okay, this example is a number 5, 3, 7, and 1. Okay, this will call a set of whole number. Do you know what is whole number?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
next. Okay, from this, who will be the same person in the 2 different groups?
Tanu.
Tanu and
Anita.
These 2 person in these 2 different groups. They have in 2 different groups. Okay, tennis, union, basketball. Who is tennis? In this tennis and this is basketball. Okay, so union is all of the group.
Yes.
All
of
the
them, all of them.
all of them in this group. Okay. Okay, so Tanu and Anita is a intersection. N. Okay. Alright. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. That's all.
Okay, we can look at the videos is interesting and make the student will become more understand. Okay, that's all from me.
Thank you, Nur Fatiha, for your share. And we have maybe our third panel have more interesting ideas to make our learning in mathematical logic.
Alright, thank you. For me, I thought that assign a presentation to a student is the best way, because when we assign a presentation to the students will have their own effort to study about the topic clearly, so that they can explain to the classmates, to their friends more clearly in their own way, so that students know how their friends going to learn with their own simple step.
Thank you, Adwana Suha. And last point, maybe last great idea will come from our last panel.
Alright, thank you, moderator. Okay. Alright. First of all, based on my experience, in a study in logic math, most of the students just want to remember the subtopic. It's not to understand. So like one subtopic of biconditional statement, the most of the students just read, right? They just only they don't want to understand. They just remember how to get the answer, but they don't want to push themselves to understand the sentence like P, Q is what, and implies to the statement to make conclusion. So I have summarized this in the table, and it's like this. Okay, hi. Now we are focused for the next discussion about the truth table for the biconditional statement. People, for this statement, we have to focus anything they give to you, just focusing on the number of the 1, 0 or true, false, which is when the question asks you, just give the biconditional statement without asking you for the true or false or 1 or 0, just you can choose either these two.
What is the difference by using 1, 0 and true, false?
Alright, actually there's no any difference. 1 is stand for true and 0 is stand for false. That's what I said. I've told before you can use any words either 1, 0 or true and false. Okay, focusing on the statement like A implies to B or B implies to A. You can put for the statement of A like true or 1, false or 0 and else. Just match it. Like if I put the 1, I can choose this also 1. And if I put this one, I can convert to the 0. Means that you have to pair true, false, false, true. Same goes like this. True, false, and I said true, false. True, 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 false. False, true, false, false. Okay, same goes like 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. At least you pair it into 2. Okay, look at to the question like P implies Q or A implies B. Right, first, anything they ask you, look at that B words. Okay, anything of B true, all the statement is true. Anything of B false, all the statement is false. Same goes like this one, P implies to Q. Anything the words of Q is false, everything is false. And everything of keywords of Q is true and the statement is true. Example, this was a short example you can see, and this one like P implies to Q. If you study 4 hours or more, then you will score an A. Q implies to P. If you score an A, then you study more than 4 hours. Like this, P implies Q. Look at only Q. Q is true, right? So the statement will true. If Q is false, the statement also false. Same goes like when P implies to Q, you only look at Q. Means that if Q is false, the statement will false. If Q is true, the statement is true. This is the example of the question. Okay, read students.
P implies Q. If Ali is tidy, then Ali performs the examination. Q implies P. If Ali performs the examination, then Ali is tidy.
Okay, right. Fatiha. When P implies Q, is true or not?
True.
True. Why is it true?
Because Ali is study.
Because Ali is study and the statement of Q is true. Okay. This one is false, right? Why the P implies Q for this one is false?
Because Q is false.
Because Q is false and vice versa. That's all. So I hope you will understand and please observe properly. Thank you. So this is interesting, right? So I hope all of you will try this. Thank you.
Okay, now our panel have shared many ideas that you will think benefit for your next learning. So thank you from all of us. I hope this beneficial talk will help you in the future. With that, I end our discussion. Thank you.